Administrator menu. On the right side of the bezel, the IC Medical touch control is allowing them to select all parameters. They have the following options: pressing the menu button, and then enter the administrator code. This leads to the administrator menu. In the administrator menu, basic settings for the machine are determined. What settings or what functions are available here? Creating a user. Here the user, which should serve the IC Medical HD 450 washer disinfector, can be created. Take the admin menu and choose the point Create User. By entering the name and a 3-digit code, a user is created. Duplicate names and codes are excluded. It can be applied up to 32 simultaneous users. Delete user. Here the user can be deleted. By entering the admin menu, choose the point Delete User. A confirmation prompt protects from erasure. Edit admin. If you want to change the name and the 6-digit administrator code, you can do so under this menu item. Enter the name and then capture new 6-digit code. Read memory. From this point, the internal memory can store up to 3,500 cycles. The way to read and evaluate transferred to the protocols on your PC. There are two possibilities. Either you can read all logs from memory, or only the new ones that have been added since the last transmission. If the machine has many cycles, to read of the new is an essential faster. Watch out! The USB icon must be active. Network settings. The DHCP server is active on the IP administration. But more and more practices are in use on the network, then the IP addresses must be created manually. Here you can enter the values manually that the machine is detected on the network. Set date and time. Here it is possible to manually set the date and time. The IC Medical HD 450 washer disinfector changes between summer and winter time automatically. Beeps and button click. It can be set depending on the environment. The signal volume. Turning off the beep sound is not advisable. Manual filter change. If the injection filter earlier than the prescribed 20 cycles need to be changed, you can reset the counter here. Decalcification. If an additional decalcification for IC Medical oxide thermal tab is necessary under this point, the water softener can be activated. Please note the water hardness in your site. Setting the language. In the administrator menu can be set the language for the IC Medical HD 450 washer disinfector. All messages will appear in the desired languages. At the moment, the following languages are included: English, German, Netherlands, Spanish, French, Polish, and Turkish. Transfer data read. Import. Here the USB flash drive is required. On these you can back up all data on the machine with this function, such as users and settings of the IC Medical HD 450 washer disinfectors. Updating the firmware. Should the software for your IC Medical HD 450 cleaning and disinfecting machine be changed, it is possible to set up the new software to the device.